What's going on, y'all? Brett Seeley here. Today I'm in Denver, Colorado with
Bree, Nicole,
JC,
Swan.
and today we are shooting socks.
not like these.
I don't think the box is a good example.
This box is so weird. This side is weirder.
This is gonna be me in 5 minutes.
Gross. How do you feel doing a shoot like this?
I'm pumped.
Huh.
I like to try new things.
Nervous.
So with nerves, what here? Not here. Here. What are some things going on in your head?
This is the first time I've ever shot completely nude, so it will be a big step for me.
Hold on.
Oh, dang.
I'm excited, but definitely a little bit uncomfortable and a little bit nervous.
Do you think that that's normal?
Yeah, perfectly normal.
Do you think that that's normal?
Yep, very normal.
Do you shoot nude?
It's been a while, but I have.
You've shot nude?
Oh!
No, me? No, not me.
You just really playboyed it out for everybody.
Everybody has nipples, so don't be weird about it. You know, we all have seen a naked body, so there's nothing to fear.
Whenever you're shooting a model that's nude, always keep the eyes here. Just none of that.
Tips for photographers when working with a nude model is to keep the words non-sexual. So if you're wanting me to switch my, don't say move your or shift your, say arch, arch the upper back, shift your chest to me, rotate your shoulders. Same with the bottom half. Don't say, show me more. Say, right hip out towards me, things like that. It keeps it less sexual and more professional.
If you learned something new, make sure you click on that subscribe button, click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content, which is about once or twice every single week. I'll post all the social media links down below. Let's go.
Straighten out your head, and then look straight up. Just because you were leaning it towards me. Do kind of what you just did. Bend your left knee.
She's strong. I think you got at least 2 shots that are gonna be keepers.
She's so